The historical narrative is often filled with tales of unlikely heroes, individuals whose lives take unexpected turns, leading them to achieve greatness in unexpected places. Among these tales, the story of Captain Tarek stands out as a testament to the enduring power of human resilience and adaptability. Born into the ranks of the Ottoman Janissaries, Tarek's journey took him from the heart of the Ottoman Empire to the shores of Italy, where he would carve out a legacy that transcended borders and cultures. This essay explores the remarkable odyssey of Captain Tarek, tracing his transformation from a soldier of the Ottoman Empire to a legendary figure in Italian folklore. Tarek's story begins in the bustling streets of Constantinople in the early 16th century. Born to humble origins, he was conscripted into the ranks of the Janissaries, the elite infantry of the Ottoman Empire renowned for their discipline and prowess in battle. From a young age, Tarek showed promise as a soldier, quickly rising through the ranks through his skill and dedication. By his late 20s, he had earned the prestigious title of captain, commanding respect and admiration among his peers. It was during the siege of Rhodes in 1522 that Tarek's fate would take an unexpected turn. As part of the Ottoman forces besieging the island, Tarek distinguished himself in combat, leading his men with courage and tenacity. However, as the siege dragged on, Tarek began to question his allegiance to the Ottoman cause. The brutality of war and the suffering of innocent civilians weighed heavily on his conscience, leading him to reconsider his loyalties. In a daring move, Tarek made the decision to defect from the Ottoman army, deserting his post and fleeing the besieged island under the cover of darkness. With a handful of loyal followers, he embarked on a perilous journey across the Mediterranean, eventually finding refuge in the Italian city-state of Venice. Though initially wary of the foreign deserter, the Venetian authorities were impressed by Tarek's military expertise and offered him asylum in exchange for his services as a mercenary. In Venice, Tarek quickly made a name for himself as a formidable warrior, participating in numerous campaigns against rival city-states and foreign powers. His tactical brilliance and unwavering courage on the battlefield earned him the respect of his Venetian comrades, many of whom came to view him as a trusted ally rather than a foreign mercenary. Tarek's exploits soon became the stuff of legend, with tales of his bravery spreading far and wide across Italy. Tarek's crowning achievement came during the Battle of Lepanto in 1571, a pivotal naval confrontation between the Holy League and the Ottoman Empire. Serving as a commander in the Venetian fleet, Tarek played a crucial role in securing victory for the Christian forces, leading his men with unmatched skill and determination. His leadership on the battlefield earned him widespread acclaim and cemented his status as a legendary figure in Italian military history. Following his triumph at Lepanto, Tarek's legend only continued to grow, with tales of his exploits being passed down through generations of Italians. In the centuries that followed, he became a symbol of courage and resilience, revered as a national hero who had helped defend Italy against the forces of tyranny and oppression. Countless poems, songs, and works of art were inspired by his deeds, ensuring that his legacy would endure for centuries to come. The story of Captain Tarek serves as a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, transcending boundaries of culture and nationality. From his humble beginnings as a Janissary in the Ottoman Empire to his legendary status in the annals of Italian folklore, Tarek's journey is a reminder that greatness can emerge from the most unlikely of circumstances. In an age marked by conflict and strife, his tale offers hope and inspiration, reminding us that even in the darkest of times, heroes can arise to light the way forward.